Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix Snapchat camera full screen problem. Let's get started. For that, first of all, make sure your Snapchat application is up to date. Open up the App Store. In your search bar, simply search for Snapchat. Once you search for it, tap onto it, and if this button says update instead of open, tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. After that, head back to your home screen and then adjust auto rotate settings. Open up your control center and make sure this button is toggled on. Now, if the issue still isn't fixed, open up settings. Inside here, simply scroll below, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage, search for Snapchat in the search bar, and just like that, tap onto it. Now tap on upload app, then tap on upload app again. This will clear the cache but keep your data. Now after you do all these fixes, you can restart your device and just like that log back into Snapchat and check if the camera issue is fixed. That's all for today. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub and I'll see you in the next one.